Alright, let's look at the homework 5.4, problem number 4. Alright, so we want to find the Riemann sum, Sn, but in this case n equals 6 because there are 6 subintervals of function f of x equals x squared minus 9x minus 9, right, over the interval from 1 to 7. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, so we have interval, let's find delta x first. Delta x is going to be, b is 7, minus a is 1, divided by n, in this case 6 subintervals, so 6. So delta x is going to be equal to 1, right? Then S6 is equal to, this is just going to be f of C1 plus f of C2 plus f of C3 plus f of C4 plus f of C5 plus f of C6, and then times delta x, which is, we already found that to be 1. So let's compute that, right? So f of C1 is given to be 1, so f of 1 plus C2 is given to be 3. Right, C3 is also 3, so f of 3. C4 is 5, so f of 5. C5 is also 5. And the last one, C6, is 7, so f of 7. Right, and the delta x is 1, so I'll just put that 1. Right, so let's compute f of 1 here. Right, f of 1, so it's a 1 minus 9 minus 9. So it's a negative 17. Right, plus, right, so 3 would be 3 squared 9 minus, there's 9, so that cancel out. So negative 9 times 3, so negative 27. And the next one is exactly the same, so I put negative 27 there. Alright, it's 5, so if you put 5, so it's 25 minus, maybe I have to write that, so f of 5, right, so 25 minus 9 times 5 would be 45 minus 9, so that's going to be negative 29. So you have a negative 29, and here would be negative 29 as well. And last one, right, f of 7. Alright, so 7 squared would be 49. And negative 9 times 7 is negative 63 minus 9. Right, so that's going to be, this is going to be 40 minus 63, it would be negative 23. So we have negative 23. Alright, then times 1, which really doesn't do anything. So upon a bunch of negative numbers, let's see. So negative 27, negative 27, so it's going to be, maybe let's do it one at a time. So negative 17, right, minus 54, right, oh actually, there's, let's see, this one should have been 29, right? So that's going to be negative 58 and minus 23, right? So combine those two, negative 40 minus 112, right? So it's going to be negative 152, right? Hopefully I did the computation correctly. Now negative, so answer is, oops, negative 4, oh, I forgot what it was, 152. Negative 152. Right, let's check the answer. Alright, we got that. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.